Today, as I sat at my desk, watched the wind, the trees, and the rain go from heavy downpours to light and misty, I found the most creative part of me burst forth. Welcome to Divine Prosperous Living of the Lulu Experience. I'm Jacqueline Brown, fondly known as Lulu, and I share with you that thought about the rain and how I just took time to observe the wind blowing, the trees, the different spectrums of rain. Did you know that rain has a wide energy spectrum? You have light, warm rain, you have heavy, gushing, or blowing cold rain. But out of all of the rain, it has a spectrum of energy. Too often, we think of rain as a negative, but it can be something that helps us unlock our creativity. Because rain is such a spectrum and each rainstorm is unique, think about the rain from a positive perspective. Tap into the creative energy of it, that energy, that creative energy. Tap into that. Don't complain about the rain. It's here for a reason. Without rain, nothing would grow. So instead of complaining, utilize it for creativity. Use it for willpower. Utilize when it's raining for strength and washing away sorrows to gain emotional growth. I'm going to say that one over. Utilize it for strength, for washing away sorrows to gain emotional growth. Tune into the trees as they blow. You know, trees are social creatures that communicate with us, and they hold lessons for us if we would take time to stop and listen. This isn't woo woo woo. This is taking time to sit back and look at those things that our divine creator has put before us and how they can speak to us if we would only tune in. Our divine creator shows up in many ways to communicate with us. Take a minute to become still. Take a minute to be quiet and then tune in and listen. In the meantime, I'd love for you to join me for a masterclass honoring domestic violence. This is the month of October, and every year we honor those who have overcome or might still be suffering from domestic violence. Those who remain in abusive relationships without realizing that there is hope. This masterclass is for every woman, regardless of their experience or no experience at all with an abusive relationship. You don't have to have ever been in one, you don't have to be in one right now to be part of this masterclass. In this masterclass that I'm inviting you to, you will gain an understanding of some of the reasons women get caught in abusive relationships. It's not something that we desire, but sometimes, for a number of reasons, we get caught up in them. And this will allow you to hear from others their story, their victory of how they came out of what seemed to be a hopeless situation, including me. Click on the link below to register. You will not be disappointed to attend this mini masterclass that we are going to have collectively. Not just the one person talking to you, but we are going to have a collective discussion about honoring those who have come through domestic violence and those who still are looking for hope. Peace, love, light, joy, ease, and flow be unto you. Bye for now.